Okay, folks, we're back for another meatball review. This time, we came back to Capone's in Hollywood, Florida. They are located at 3775 Hollywood Boulevard, sorry, in Hollywood, Florida. 3775 Hollywood Boulevard, Hollywood, Florida. 96 degrees. 96 degrees, folks. It is a hot one out there. I need you to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Each and every time I get a new subscriber or a like, it helps me to continue to bring you all of these great Italian food reviews. Today we're doing a meatball review at Capone's. You'll remember they got a 7.2 on their pizza review. I'll leave a link here, somewhere up here, for you to click on that video and check it out. Here are their meatballs. Wow, it's really hot. Now, what I'm looking for in a meatball, before I even get started here, is I'm looking for a meatball that is standalone. Here it is. See that? A standalone meatball. What do I mean by that? It's not the type of meatball that you put in a hero. The standalone meatball should be very moist, should be made with moistened breadcrumbs, parsley, garlic, a good grade of chopped meat, maybe mixed with pork. When I go in to cut it, it should be very soft. It should not be dense. If it's dense, that tells you that the meatball was really designed for a sandwich, not what I'm looking for. But let's see. Here we go. All right, very moist. Now this is a good sign. Cut through it, the knife went through it, really like it was a hot knife through butter. I already like what I see as far as that is concerned. I can actually cut it with a plastic fork. If you can cut it with a plastic fork, that's moist. Here it is. Take a look here. Here you go. All right, we're going to dip it into the sauce. Here it is. Interesting. Very interesting, folks. Another bite here. Third bite. I think you can see where this is going. Okay. All right. Here we go. Very surprised. Very pleasantly surprised, folks. Their pizza may not have ranked very well, but their meatball sure did. Had they used the same sauce, possibly that they used on this meatball, maybe their pizza would have been a little bit better, or maybe the volume of sauce. Really, really good, really moist. The minute I touched it with a plastic knife, the knife went right through it. I tried to cut it with a plastic fork. You know how frail those things are. The fork went right through it. The taste is excellent. I really like that meatball. I'm gonna give Capone's meatball a 7.9. That's right, you heard it. From a 7.2 to their pizza to a 7.9 to their meatball. That's a pretty big spread there. A 7.9 for their meatball. That's a real meatball review by a real Italian. 7.9 Capone's in Hollywood, Florida. That's my score.